Welcome back to the spreadsheet edit channel. So last I have fixed my mic. Basically I just plug in the wrong place. Okay, so and causes there's a misunderstanding on the mic problem. Okay, so for this one, to make it faster a bit, so basically I just prepare the July tables over here, and then I'm using the conditional formatting to highlight the public holiday. As such, over here you see in the July month, basically we just only have one public holiday, falls on Wednesday, which is 19th June, July. Okay, so from here this is the formulas that will be used. Okay, and the highlighter formulas in yellow, these four, basically they are quite unique, which is mostly will use for the public holiday template for some of the calculations, like for example the Mendes. Okay, so the Mendes normally referring to the number of working days for certain things to develop. Okay, for like for example you have to deal with the vendor to have some sort of software delivery. Okay, so this software that will take around 30 man days to deliver. Normally this 30 man days is referring to the work days. Okay, not inclusive of weekends and public holidays. Okay, as such, when 30 man days right given and then the start date given, where is the end date? So with this kind of calculations you can add it out. Okay, so from here, as you can see, for this one, network days INTL. Okay, so this weekends, right, likely to highlight like this formula. So you see 0000 and 11, this represent Monday, Tuesday until Sunday. Okay, and the 1 represent as the weekends and 0 represent as the weekdays. This you put like this one, right? So basically you recognize. Okay, ensure you are typing using this. Okay, and then we come back to the samples. So as you can see, right, if the date start from Sunday, okay, there'll be 6 weeks, and you can see Monday. So from this one, right, week 1 it start from Saturday, and there's a 31st day, 31 days in the month, so it most likely will falls on 6 week. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so the maximum will be goes to the Tuesday if it start from Sunday. Okay, so from here you can see the so this is the one of sample. So I just highlight like this. Actually before highlight, right, I need to copy this formula. And for the conditional formattings over here, right, you need to use the indirect to point to the different sheet. So this one will not change, this one will be on statics, because I have good things over here in the Google Sheet, right? So add to, you will just put like this, it doesn't bother and the last row anymore. So from here you just put like this, is more than enough. And this is the formula, start cutting from A2. So this formula I just direct copy and then apply from A2 until G7. Okay, so the short key over here is right click, and then you see the view more cell actions and then conditional formattings. So about all this one, so you see the apply to range A2 until G7, and from this one, right, you see the format cell if. So you select custom formula. So this custom formula I just check, okay, confirm, and basically you need to put the equal sign here. Okay, so for this case, right, you need to put I measure if I remove the indirect, it will not show because this one only works for the same sheet. Okay, that's why you need to put indirect. This is the limitation for the conditional formatting in the Google spreadsheet. For Excel you not need this. So you can see there's a pros and cons between the Google Sheet and the Excel. For Google Sheet you're not bothering on the last row, that's why you can just take wherever you want. Okay, and For the Google spreadsheet, you need to put, you cannot refer to different sheet for condition formatting. Okay, so from here I just select black colors, and then normally the public holidays will put yellow. Oh, sorry, this one, this is the field I need to put yellow, so it become like this, and then I just bold it. Okay, just highlight this one, so you see it already show you on a Wednesday. So once you click done, that's it. Okay, so this is the for the public holidays highlight. Okay, you want to add anything over here, the good things over here, right? Let's say I just want to put, sorry, July 20. Okay, so this is the samples, and then it will highlight it highlight like this. Okay, and second is Saturday. Okay, so now I leave it this one. The next one we're going to do is put on the weekends. There are two things over here. Okay, so this is the things from A2 until these two. I check the formulas first. Weekdays. Okay, so data type I just put this one and check. Funny things over here always is I cannot see query, so I need to put slightly higher. So this is the a bit stupid things in the Google Sheet. It's not that intelligent enough. Okay, so from here I can see type. Okay, so optional enable the system to be okay. Count start with Sunday. Okay, equal 1. I'm not Sunday equal 1, so Monday, so start with 2. So still the same. There'll be a slight difference. That's why in the whenever you need change, right? So in the ensure the formulas referring the same. Okay, otherwise there will be a bit difference. Okay, so there will be some slight difference in terms of formula for Google Sheet and the Excel. Okay, so from here I'm selecting the same range again until G7. Okay, so add another rules. Then this one's active, and same things we're going to do the custom formula, and then we just put equal sign. Okay, so from here you see this is the things that will be highlighted, right? First of all, we don't bother this one first, and the thing is I just put this color, and then or maybe just put gray. Okay, so this gray seems like a bit over, so we just put lighter a bit. So like this case, right, we need to put another condition which shouldn't be the empty cells. Okay, and this one we can put as a n. Okay, and then put this one. The best formula I have developed for this one, when you type in the condition formatting, so you cannot use a shortcut. That's why you need to understand the formula very well. Then you're able to do like this. A2. Okay, why the caps lock? So close 2, close 1. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so there'll be the another alternative. So when we go to slide it, go over here, you see this one, right? So when we move this one, there's a way to move it out. Let me check how it goes. So go back here, conditional formatting. It doesn't allow me to drag. I'm not sure. Last time I able to drag like this, but now I am able to drag. Okay. This is another limitation as well. Okay, so I cannot drag this one to up. Okay, so just ensure always right. So the only things I can do over here is I just copy this formula. Okay, select all and then done, and remove it and add another one. So apply to cell A2 to G7. Okay, so and this one using the same one. So and we just replace the formula, and from here I just going to change it to black colors and then yellow colors. Okay, and then bow. So when this one right, this second will not be, so because this is the public holiday. Sometimes also depends. Okay, sometimes if your companies right, you need to know, okay, or it's fall on the Sunday, so we highlight on the public holiday on the Sunday, so we have a replacement leave. Or sometimes for Malaysia, right, normally the Sunday there's only public holiday for on Sunday, so there will be replacement public holiday on Monday. Okay, for most of the state except the east state. Okay, like Kelantan, Pahang, and Terengganu. Okay, and for Saturday, right, some company will allow you have the additional replacement leave. So this good that you put yellow at top first. Okay, so this one's right. I come back, I just, and again I just copy, so I cannot just drag and drop. That's only things not that good over here. Okay, so remove this one and then add another rules, and we type the same thing also, A2 until G7, and put custom formula. Okay, put back here. So and then this one we change it to black color, and then fill up is gray, light gray, and then done. Okay, so this is not the final one. There's another alternative over here. So from here, right, I just need to check on these two, basically just these two. Okay, so these are the two things that if found is anything is Saturday or Sunday, if you fill out all this one. Okay, so from here, right, basically you will not see anything because I need to scroll to the left, then you will see, okay, this one. So what if I want to up until week 7, week 6? Okay, for this case, right, what I'm going to do over here, I just say change this one to fix this to second row. Okay, so and then move this one also to second row. Okay, then done. This will be the final one. So once I code this one, it looks much nicer. So this is how we use the conditional formatting. Okay, and also for one of the public holiday template to implement on the this kind of calendar things. Okay, so and with these calendars, right, we can see much better. Sometimes you want to plan the events. Okay, so highlight all the things. These are the formulas. Okay, so thank you for watching. So see you in the next video.